Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to transfer the Amex point to Amazon. Let's just start. So press enter. So here we can see, so to transfer your Amex point to Amazon you have to just open here at here. Okay, membership reward with pay. Okay, so from here like you have to view the Amazon policies. Okay, so point redeem to check out with your membership point, your Amex card, or you have the combination of the both to check out. So you have to just follow this step. You can just pause the video and read. So basically you have to add your Amazon credit card there at the Amazon, like here. We'll continue. Okay, sign in. Okay, sign in. You will do sign in and all other things. Then you will go to the payment page. So at the payment page you need to like add your Amex card, and from the Amex card you have to do the payment using your reward. So by that you can just do it. So this is how we can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.